Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Memorial Day. Instead of doing a shout out, I thought I'd come out and express my appreciation for those who've given all for Memorial Day. So, defending our fine country. I had some big speech in mind, but I don't do well with speeches, so I'd just make this quick. I actually came out here because there was a park here, or there was a lake here. And some yahoo decided, well, we'll fence it. Because that's what you do with lakes. You put up a fence. I guess I'm tilted. Like, seriously? Kind of obscures the lake view. Anyway, I guess this will be a quick one. And of course, make sure I'm in. Of course, I want to also, you know, I want to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there currently serving, and our veterans who are no longer serving, but still, each and every single one of you is appreciated. Also want to make a mention again, 22 a day no more. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you had a great weekend, and I'll catch you in the next one.